In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can screen record here on Mac. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what we're going to be using to screen record, and this is by far the most efficient way to screen record here on Mac, is actually QuickTime Player. What you're going to want to do is start by going to the home screen of your Mac, going up to this top right corner and selecting this little search bar and typing in QuickTime Player and hitting enter. This is going to open up a page that looks like this. Hit cancel on this page right here, but as you'll notice, it's going to open up the QuickTime Player down in your little dashboard down here. So go ahead and find QuickTime Player on here, right click on it, and you're going to see an option that says new screen recording. Now I'm currently using this, so it's grayed out for me, but go ahead and select that, and it's going to bring up a little page that looks something like this on your screen, with a few different options on it. I would recommend, first of all, going to the options tab and changing where you want to save your screen recording. It's going to be somewhere over here, kind of where my mouse is. Select that, change your screen recording area to someplace like your desktop, which is where mine's saved to. And then, of course, you could also change the quality of those screen recordings as well as change how much of the screen it's actually going to show up. From here, if you look up on the top of my screen where I have this little stop button right here, that means you're going to be screen recording. After you hit start screen recording on here, it's going to go up here. Whenever you're ready to stop, simply hit this and you're good to go. And it really is as simple as that. You don't have to download anything. This is already going to be on your Mac. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.